Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to play Ocean Eyes by Billie Eilish in the easiest way. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar and standard tuning, and we won't need a cable for this song. Let's jump to the lesson. Let's start with the intro part. In the intro part, we have two lines of chord. In the first line we have C, then D, and finally an E minor. Now in the intro part we don't have any specific strumming pattern and we're just going to use down strum for each chord. But in the E minor we're going to hold out a lot longer than other chords and we're going to play it for 3 times. So the first line of chords will sound like this. Now in the second line we have G and G again, and finally we have C. And again the last chord is held out for a lot longer than the first 2 chords. So the intro will sound like this. Now we get to the verse part. In the verse, the chords are exactly the same, except that we are going to play it for 2 times. And in the first time, we're going to play the second line just for once. And in the second time, we are going to play the second line for 2 times. So the verse will sound like this. Now before we get to the chorus part, we're going to add a strumming pattern. And we're using this strumming pattern just on the last chord of each line. So the strumming pattern will sound like this. Down, up, down, down. Down, up, down, down. So notice that we're just going to add this strum on the last chord of each line. So the chorus will sound like this. Thanks for watching guys. If you found out this lesson helpful, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more guitar tutorials.